So in this video, we will talk about sitting arrangement question. Okay. In this question, few people are sitting around a square table. It's a good question. Okay. So the question is, it is mentioned in the question, certain number of persons sit around a square table. Certain number means number of person we don't know, right? Such that nobody sits at the corner and not more than 4 persons sit around each of the sides. Okay. It's a square table. Okay. Square table. It's a square table, right? And it is mentioned that not more than 4 persons sit around each of its side. Very good question, right? Okay. So maximum 4 person can sit around each side. Okay. Now, question is, information about few person is given. Only about the few person is given and all the person face toward the center, right? Only 4 persons sit between P and T. Okay. I mean, this is 100% sure we are. There are 4 person between P and T. Okay. 4 person between P and T. It doesn't matter 2 here. 4 means we can also write down 1, 2, 3, 4 because around each side 4 person can sit, right? So only 4 persons sit between P and Q. This is justified with the help of this diagram now. Who is on the immediate left of Q? It is mentioned that T, who is on the immediate left of Q, means Q should be here because Q left is this, correct? Now, next line is S is 6 to the right of U. We can write down here. U sixth right is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, S this one. Okay. U sixth right is S. Right now we don't know where is U. We don't know where is S. This is the question. Okay. Now, R is at a gap of 2% from U. R is at a gap of 2% from U. About U it is mentioned that who is adjacent to T. So U is adjacent to T. We are 100% sure U should be here. Yes or no? Because which adjacent to T, U, right? And R is at a gap of 2% from U. Now, please try to understand. This is a quite interesting thing. Here we get confused. We can confuse ourselves. How? Listen, try to understand. Because if it is mentioned that between R and U there are 2 persons, means R can be here or R can be here. Yes or no? That's why I will make another diagram where I will mention this is P, this is T, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, this is U, this is Q. I will say there are 2 persons between U and R, right? So R is here. 2 situation because there are 2 possibilities. Okay, now only 1 person sit between R and V. Only one person sit between R and V. Okay, only 1 person sit between R and V. V, who is third to the right of S. Okay, now please try to understand. Before moving ahead, it is mentioned that only 1 person is sitting between R and V who is third to the right of S. Please understand, V is third to the right of S. V should be here. Yes or no? Now try to understand. Still, we didn't use this line. S is 6 to the right of U. S is 6 to the right of U. So U is here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S should be here. Yes or no? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. S should be here. And S third right is V. And S third right is V. And we know very well S third right in this diagram. 1, 2, 3. But between R and V, there is 1 person. Try to understand this. If you will make it, this is R, V, this will become 1, 2, 3, 4. Not possible. Are you getting this point? So in this diagram, only possibility we have is between R and V, there is only 1 person. Okay. And S third right is V means 1, 2, 3. Yeah. Means you can please try to understand one thing. Okay. You can easily say if I will remove if I will remove this one, I can easily say one thing here. I will again draw the diagram like this. Okay. My S was here, R was not here, right? So please try to understand between S and V, V is third right of S means 1, 2, 3. and between R and V there is one person. Yes or no? Okay. If you will check this one, if R is here, then V should be here, and this is not possible. If you will still make 1, 2 more here, you can understand that this is left, so not possible diagram. I hope why this situation is rejected. It's very important to know us, right? Okay. Done. So we can claim from this diagram only one person between sit between R and V. This is justified. V, who is third to the right of is justified. The question is how many such persons sit around the table about whom no information is given. How many persons? Just count. For how many information is not given to us? If you will check 1, 2, we don't know, we don't have any idea. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 means 7 is the answer. Correct? It's a good question. Okay. So it's a square-based square arrangement. Some people are sitting around square table. Okay. Now in the next video, we will do a question based on a different sitting arrangement. Okay.